Searching for a 2010 Holden Commodore.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.